Well, I just wanted to make this video, let you guys know I bought the new icon. Here I have a snap-on, and here I have an icon. I just bought this recently, this icon, and I already having problems with it. It gets jammed up. See that? It'll go. Right there. Alright. Flip it back. It don't do it all the time, but once is annoying. And it just got jammed up there. The only thing I really use this for is my, right there. I just got unstuck. The only thing I really use this for is working on that little KTM right there. I've had this snap-on for a while. I ain't had a single problem out of it. Yes, I greased the icon just to see if that would make a difference. And it didn't. It don't do it all the time. Right there. That's freaking annoying. So I guess I'm gonna take it back, and I just wanted one with a straight handle. My snap-on was flex head, so I thought maybe, I thought maybe it'd be pretty good, so. But there you go. I guess I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna do. Take it back and get my money back, or go get a snap-on, or take it back and see if I can get another one. Alright, you guys have a good day. Thank you. Bye.